Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody's needing some help making this for a sign, and I think this style is called Bookends, and then this is just they want larger letters at the front and back. So there's two ways you could do that. This is a text, and we're going to go up the shape tool, and if you select, let's see how big the font is. Tell you what, let's make it 200 points. And we're going to take the shape tool and select that node right there. And you could actually shift select that node right there and make it 300 points. So you've gotten the text bigger. And then this is like what I would call a true bookend, and then go to your envelope tool and select both those and use the control button and make that right there, or, make sure it's on single arc or double arc, and, you can always change it individually, but if you select both of them, it won't, well, matter of fact, you can't unless you use this unconstrained right here, it'll get both of them. So there's one way to do it. The other way to do it, well, there's actually probably three ways to do it, would be to have it like this. So what we can do is go to Object and break it apart, and then go back here and take the middle ones and group them together. And then we could take these individual letters. I wish I would have made the whole thing. Well, it doesn't matter. Let's make it 800 points. The only difference in this, it doesn't space them out equally, but you can do that by hand or actually by the, I'm going to hold down the control button so they're perfectly spaced. And then you could grab this with the, and use the unconstrained where you can get both of them, grab just your center and make this, and you could change that, you could change your handles here, make them look pretty much the same all the way around. If you go to that line, you're pretty much doing the even amount on both sides. Now the other way, and I wish I would have made a copy of this, instead of using the break it apart or a shape tool, so we've got our text back as a text, you can always go right here and click on your text and go right here to your text editor, and you can highlight that one letter and make it that 800 points. And the good thing about doing it this way, it's going to keep it evenly spaced, and then highlight the E and make it 800 points. And now you have equally spaced out. And then this is where you would want to just use the interactive fill tool on unconstrained and grab both of them and go downhill. Pretty neat effect, especially with them putting the bunkhouse in top. The these kind of got a place for it to rest on the sign. These two letters are straight up and down, so there's like I'm going to call it a bookend, which this is really a bookend too, but we've enveloped the whole thing. So it's just really personal preference. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.